Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Monday Morning by Cap. And today I'm at my friend's house. Not have gone anywhere fancy. Just at my friend's out in the garden. So yeah, he's got a nice garden. So that's great. A bit of greenery, a bit of nature. But today I want to talk about breakdowns. So if you are going through a period in your life where you're having a breakdown, I just want you to understand that a breakthrough is coming. Most of the times, when you're going through a breakdown in life, in business, in any of your financial situations, a breakthrough, a breakthrough just comes after it because this is how it works. Uh, if you have a goal that you set and you want to achieve that, the universe is gonna test you till the last point and gonna test you, you know, until you just about to break, just like elastic band. But that's when the breakthrough comes. So if you are going through something in life where you're feeling like, oh, I've just had enough, I can't go any more than this, I'm struggling too much, I just want you to say, keep going. That's really, really important. It's really, really important that you keep going so the breakthrough can show up, because I would reckon most people quit just before their breakthrough is about to come through. There's breakthrough about to happen. So if you're going into something in your life that breaking you down, just keep going. The other thing I want to say is the intensity of your desire is gonna determine the depth of your rewards. So if you think about a really good dinner that you had some night at someone or at your own house, think about it has been marinated overnight, and then it has gone in the oven and has been cooked for hours and hours and hours, and uh, then you smell it and you think like, oh, this is amazing, like the smell is amazing, the taste is going to be amazing, and the taste of success is really sweet as well. But the path to success is quite better. So you gotta understand this is how it is, and this is how it always has been. So it takes a lot of time to build great success. And I always say this, like, test is time is, sorry, not test, time is none of your business. Time is none of your business, but desire is. How intensely are you feeling that desire to achieve that goal? That's going to determine what your rewards are going to be like. So don't worry about the time, just keep thinking about that desire, keep following what you are following so far, and your rewards will show up. It has to show up. It doesn't work any other way. Everything that you ask for is going to come through at a certain time, but you have to keep follow that desire with the same intensity that you started it with. I know not all the days are the same, and you're gonna have a lot of mental breakdown and other breakdowns on a lot of days, but that's fine. You just have to get up again and keep going. The last thing I want to say is focus. It's really easy to focus in the starting of a goal when you're excited about it and when you have started a new thing in your life, but it's really hard to maintain the same focus through months or years or decades. But that's what it takes to build great success as well. So if you do these couple of things that I've told, and you keep following that desire with the same focus and the same intensity every single day, the results will show up. It has to show up. So all you have to do is keep going. Yes, you'll have a lot of breakdowns, but just understand a breakthrough is just on the brink. A breakthrough is just on the edge, because that's is how it works. When a breakdown comes in, a breakthrough is always on the edge. You just have to get there slowly but surely. And as I said before as well, is just keep marching toward that goal slowly, some days intensely, but just keep showing up and keep putting the work in, and the results will show up. So yeah, this is what I wanted to talk about. It's a beautiful day today, and this is what I thought about in the morning. And I'll come back with another episode of Amazing Monday Morning. Bye.